My name is Howie Chosit. One of my motivations for participating in the start of HEBI Robotics was to keep the band together.
And in 2014, we started the company.
I was introduced to HEBI as I was pursuing my MBA at Carnegie Mellon's Tepper School of Business. I became employee number 1 after the founders.
We're known as the Snake Lab because the thing we're most known for is making snake robots. And in the process of making these robots, what we wound up doing is making modules.
It was those modules, those actuators, which we can put together almost as if you're playing with Lego.
Really lets robotics experts move much more quickly and do things in the real world that they weren't able to do before.
That's really what HEBI Robotics is about. We want to accelerate the development of robotics by endowing developers with the ability to put robots together in a relatively short time and not have to worry about all that low-level crap that you have to deal with when putting robots together for the first time.
That's where our hearts are. We're saying, how can we speed up research across the board?
And go back to the field more quickly.
It's a robotic actuator that enables you to build new and different types of robotic mechanisms. You kind of have an idea of what you want to build, so you need these parts that will speed up your process.
And just like Legos, it's a kit that you can start with, and then you can take apart and you can change, you can modify, you can make more exciting in different ways. Either pre-assembled or with instructions for how you can put together a fully working robot. Here's code to give you a starting point.
It says, okay, what are people going to do with this? If we enable them, if we provide the tools, what will they think of?
All the developer has to do is focus on the creative innovation.
We also provide custom development.
We can very quickly, using ideas from modularity, go in and build customized robots in small quantities of 10, quantities of 50. HEBI Robotics is going to have a future in making a large variety of customized robots, perhaps as quickly as people who mass-produce systems today.
What we have today is a system that makes it possible for the roboticist, the robotics expert, to create world-class professional-grade robots quickly.
We would love it if we could enable someone that does not have a PhD in robotics, that's not coming from academia, to actually build and program a robot.
We want to make working with hardware as easy as working with simulation.
So that the robot builder can focus on the more creative, fun aspects of building a robot.
It's the people who made these robots great. Robots aren't great. Robots are just tools. And my hope is that we at HEBI Robotics stay together for as long as possible.